Yes guys, look at that. Welcome back. And can you guess the video that we're doing today? So let me just get right into the ingredients. So we have our sugar, some cinnamon powder, and our salt there, and our apples. Tell them, chef, what we're doing today.
Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna get right into the peeling and just watch what I go on and take in the video.
Yes guys,
I'll make a guess before me even mention what we are doing today, but anyway, I'm going to peel the apple there. You can use a peeler or you can use a knife, but I suggest a peeler because it removes only the skin.
And it helps to save the apples, guys.
And the reason for removing the skin, tell them Chef Alexander.
So that it don't chewy, guys. You feel me? Yes. You get a nice apple that you want without all that extra chew.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna guess them. Alright, so today we are make a apple pie.
Yes guys.
So I'm soon show you the type of crust we are use. There is a short crust, but we'll shape it in a different form what we might not used to. But Jamaicans used to that shape. So we'll soon
yes
get
guys,
to that.
and you can give it a try just the same. You can give the crust a try next time you have, you know.
Everybody's supposed to know to make short crust, but if you don't want to see us doing that shape and all of that, comment it down below,
yes,
and you'll definitely get that video.
Yes guys, you see the apple nice and peeled. So we're going to catch you guys back again when we're finished peeling and cutting up soon forward.
Alright guys, so now we're going to cut away the apple from the seed.
Yes guys. And guys, if you haven't checked out our deconstructed apple pie video, please do so.
Set that aside.
On to the next.
Careful guys.
Perfect.
Alright, so we're gonna cube this guys.
Yes guys, nice cubes.
And try to make the cut as consistent as possible. Catch it, I'm gonna catch on the back when we saute this soon forward. Yes guys, so now we're gonna add the apple.
Yes guys, look at that. Beautiful, right?
Some sugar, cinnamon and salt. Now we're gonna give this a stir.
Yes guys, everything all mixed in properly, right? Beautiful.
Now we're gonna add some white wine to bevel the pot.
Lovely guys, this cinnamony aroma is so amazing. It's a perfume for the kitchen. Yes guys.
Look at that coming together nicely. Can you imagine the flavor, the cinnamon, the sugar, the salt and the white wine.
Aroma guys, it's so lovely. So we're going to allow this to help to get the apples to be softened. So when we reach that point, we'll come back so forward. Yes guys, look at that. Ready. So we're going to fill the shell and time for the reveal of showing you guys the shell, right? Let's go guys. One go. Right?
So the shell, let me know guys.
Yes guys, these are the shells.
We call them gizzard shell.
Yes guys.
So right now we're going to fill them with some apple. Watch what I got now.
Guys, these are gonna be so lovely. Look at that nice goodness from the apples. Oh, lovely, guys. This is so lovely. And guys, if you haven't checked out our drops video, you can check out that video, right?
Guys, we have a playlist that consists of all of these.
Yes, guys, we have the different playlists of our baking, cake and pastry, sweet treats and desserts. We have all the playlists, right? So feel free to check out the playlist and save the recipes and give them a try and tell us what you think, right?
You can send us the after product on the Instagram, and we'll definitely give you a repost, guys.
Yes. So guys, I know that you see what's going on, so we're gonna catch you guys again when we're putting these in the oven. So forward. Yes, guys. Ooh, fire heat hot, guys. So we're going to place this in the oven for, tell them, chef,
15 to 20 minutes
at an oven temperature
at 205 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
So set your timers, don't go nowhere. Soon forward.
Soon forward.
Yes, guys, look at that. Beautiful, right? These are finished, and it's finished within the 15 minutes mark, guys. So we're going to allow these to cool down, and then we get on with the plating. So forward.
Yes, guys, I'm gonna see the plate and I know what time it is, don't it? Right there.
Look at that. Just take a moment to admire that. Beautiful, right? Lovely. Nice, like how we want it.
I realize I have my gloves this time around. Some short crust sundaes, guys.
Yes, guys.
I'm going to do that. Now to this side. Right there. A bit technical, but it's alright. Know what I mean, guys? Yeah. Now what we are doing things for now, we always try to come out to do our best and do our best. What do you think will come next? We have green over this one. Red over here, so. Before I'm going further, guys, I'm going to clean up the plate and forward back. So forward.
Guys, look at that. Right, just take a moment to admire what's going on, right? Beautiful. beautiful, guys. Lovely. Work off. Alright. Leave it down in the comment section and tell us what you think about this video, the plating, the presentation, everything, guys. This is it. Lovely. Remember, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Beautiful.
So until next time,
Bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?